Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Trader's Journey. We are live here on YouTube. We have 8 viewers here. Welcome everyone to the live. We've got 9 viewers. Make sure you guys drop a like on this live. We're going to go through some crazy stuff today. Today has been insane for anyone who's following the journey, who is a part of the family, who has been following me, subscribing to the channel. You guys will be aware of what's gone on today, guys. SOS and CCIV has taken all the limelight, and I'm super excited to share this journey with you guys, discuss the plays. What's going on, Josh? Welcome back to the live. I know you guys were so excited from the last live which we had this just at market open. It was insane. The contender. Hope you're doing well, man. Thanks so much. I hope you're doing good, man. It's great to see you guys again. Yeah, you're here early. Yeah, Botis is here as well. Welcome, Botis. We've just been speaking. Botis is killing the game, man. He's setting up his crypto mining, and he's about to take it by storm, and he's going to kill the game. Hey, Daniel Cruz, welcome, man. Hey, Harris. Hey, Ronaldo, welcome to the party. You guys are not late to this party, I'm telling you that for sure. Look at what's going on with SOS, guys. Can you see this? It is consolidating within this triangle. It's probably one of the most perfect bull flags triangles I've seen in a long time. The SOS party. Let's call this the SOS after party, right? Who wants to call it that? This is the SOS after party. Maybe I edit the title of the live to SOS stock after party. Let me change it, guys. Let me change it. I'm going to change the title of this video to the SOS stock after party, because whoever is telling me they want to jump in the party now, it's too late. It is too late, because I'm getting too many people telling me they want to join the party. Well, you know what? It's too late, because we have been in this stock for a long time, and we're in this party, right? We're in this party, and anyone who wants to join this party, you're too late. You're too late to the SOS stock party. You understand what I'm saying? He sold SOS, Sebastian, and it was an accident. Okay, well, you had 160%, so Sebastian, you're still part of the party. We've got 41 viewers here. Make sure you guys drop a like on this live. It'd be much appreciated. Talina is here. What's good? What's good, bro? I haven't heard from you on Instagram in a while. Hope you're good, Talina. We're making more money today. Guys, I think there's still more money to be made. We're waiting for power hour in the next 2 minutes, but I really want SOS to break this triangle, guys. Can you see this? And then we can get the after party really started, right? We can get the after party really started. Adam Cohen, Ewote is in the building. Welcome, Ewote. Jeez, Ewote, man, you need to chill on those Instagram DMs, guys. Guys, can we tell Ewote to just chill on the DMs? This guy, man, I really appreciate your support, but I can't answer 10 questions a day, Ewote. All right. Okay, we got Alfred. Welcome, Alfred. Yeah, he wants SENS. SENS we're going to cover as well. Phoenix, where do you see it? I got in at $3, just modestly, though. That's fine. Yeah, it won't. I'm happy to answer your questions, dude, but just take it easy, man. Take it easy. You know I'm busy, right? I got a group to manage. I got people to answer to, so take it easy, man. Contender, okay, bought in at 570, but not a lot. Think it's worth adding more. Let's see what happens to this triangle. You'll be catching this live with me, guys, so don't worry. If we break this triangle and we break 1255, I can see a short-term gain here, so I might add some more money to this, guys. SENS to the moon, says Marco. We got 48 viewers. Make sure you guys are dropping a like on this live. Make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. I will be providing some insane plays for the rest of this year, guys. So I'm hoping you're joining in on this party and you're not too late to the party. Jody, we got Jody in the building now. Jody, man, I know you caught that SOS play, my friend. I know you caught that SOS. Jody's a bad dude, guys. Jody's a bad dude. We got MJ Healthcare here. What is the prediction? SOS. Well, you're watching it right now, MJ. You're watching this live. We are in the markets. We're consolidating here. I did expect that profit target to hit. I had a profit target of $13.94. Just sold off just short of that this morning, guys. If you watch at market open, we got invest with Jace, guys. We got invest with Jace in the building. If you guys don't know about this guy, you need to head to his channel, give him a follow, because dude, he's putting out some great content. So Jason, we salute you, my friend. We got another YouTube content creator in the YouTube live. Make sure you discuss any plays with Jason, man. That guy, he's a clever dude, guys. He's a clever dude. So Jason, we appreciate you. We're we're blessed to have you here in the live chat with us watching. So guys, make sure you go over and check out Jason over there, because dude, he comes out with some crazy content. He really does, and he's a hard worker like myself, and I only promote hard workers, and we only have grafters on this family, right? We only have hard workers in this family. So make sure you guys are dropping a like on this live. Jason, I'm interested to get into conversations with you. Me and Jason are going to do a live at some point. Okay, is SOS breaking the triangle? Guys, I think SOS is breaking the consolidation triangle. Here we go, guys. Look, I think we're going to see a breakout for power hour. We've just entered power hour. 1 hour left before market close. Selling off huge right now. Subscribed, invest with Jace. Well done. Talina, look at that support. Jason, look at that support. You've got Talina right covering you right there. And trust me, guys, Jason will send you to the moon. So make sure you support him as well, because I've been watching his videos and man, excellent plays. Excellent plays. All right, guys, we got Sebastian. SOS might break now. Yeah, I'm just watching this very carefully, guys. Guys, just want you all to know, right? There's plenty money to go around. There's plenty money to go around. So if you guys can support somebody to lift them up, help them do what they're doing, then I support that, guys. I salute you if you guys can do that. Support people that are doing good. Support people that are working hard, because trust me, it will come back tenfold to every single one of you. If you guys put out that good work, put out that support, help anyone you can, trust me, it comes back. It comes back to you 10 times. 10 times as much. If only you guys knew helping people would actually help yourself so much. So we got almost 60 viewers here. Make sure you guys are dropping the like. We're going to catch this SOS play before the end of the day. Let's see what CCIV. Guys, why am I not talking about CCIV? So you all seen that CCIV move, guys. So almost $52. Almost $52. Hassan, I really appreciate your email, so I'm going to get back to your email, Hassan. Guys, you know one thing about me is I don't forget. I really don't forget. Hassan just emailed me. I remembered his name just there, right? Anyone who communicates with me, anyone who discusses with me, I know exactly who I'm talking to. I know which. Talina, I know you've been in my DMs. I've been talking to you regularly, Talina. So I don't forget you guys, man. We're a big family here, so trust me, I'm not a YouTuber that just expects a big following and I'm just going to forget you guys, right? I remember every single one of you. Hassan, I appreciate your email. I just seen it pop up on my phone, so I'll get back to you, Hassan, just after this live, and hopefully we can get to business. So CCIV, wow, guys. Yeah, dude, imagine sitting in a room with 62 people and we got some crazy characters in here. We got Jason, we got everyone in here. Man, we would have a sick after party, guys, I tell you that, because SOS is going nothing short of the moon. Okay, so CCIV, I just want to quickly touch on this, guys. Bull flag setup on CCIV, a bit of consolidation here, a bit of indecisiveness, but I'm interested to see where we go. There's a triangle building on CCIV, and there's a triangle building on SOS. Guys, we've got 2 triangles, 2 breakouts for the after party today, and we are just getting into it, guys. We are just getting into it. You guys are going to enjoy this one. So we got 63 viewers. Welcome to anyone who's just joined. Let me know who's here in the live. We got Hassan. He's saying SEAC is a good company also. Thank you, guys. Just keep in mind, I hear a lot of stocks every single day from my members to you guys to every single person. I've only got 2 eyes, 2 ears, and 1 mouth, right? So I can only look at so many stocks per day. So bear with me for you guys. Yeah, Riot, it will be up because of crypto. Where is Riot, man? What's happening to it? What is happening to Riot, guys? I want to know. Let's look at my day trades. It will be in here somewhere. Because I know all the crypto mining stocks are up. Mara's up 15%. Where's Riot, dude? Oh, here it is. 21% on Riot. Yeah, all the crypto mining stocks are up. But the biggest winner for the day in terms of crypto mining stocks is SOS. We're currently up 340%. Guys, 340%. Asger Piper, thank you very much. Welcome to the live. Guys, I'm telling you, 360%. I was at, guys, when SOS was here at 1367, I was up 400%, over 400%. So Invest with Jace says he's so tempted to sell CCIV. Yeah, Jace, I share the same feelings and same sentiment there, because of the fact how much me and Jason have been in CCIV for a long time, guys. Put it that way. Yeah, we've been in CCIV for a long time, and we've secured our profits, so we do have that temptation to sell. But believe me, guys, the move, guys, I think there's a bigger move to happen. Personally, I have feelings that this bigger move will happen on CCIV in after hours. We may see it in power hour as we're speaking. But we broke from a huge squeeze. Guys, can you see this? Look at this CCIV squeeze before we saw that huge rally. Look at this squeeze, guys. It was the tightest squeeze I've ever seen on a stock in recent times. But that squeeze was huge. Look at this squeeze, guys. Are you seeing this? Are you actually seeing this, guys? We had a huge squeeze here, and then it just broke. It broke like crazy, and it flew. It absolutely flew. It broke the triangle at $38 and went straight to the high of $55. Imagine that scalp, guys. Imagine if you scalped that squeeze. Insane. SOS is thinking about it, guys. It is really thinking about it. It's trying to break the upper edge there of the triangle. So I am going to be focusing in on this. I want to hear some predictions, guys. Where do you think SOS is going to go by tomorrow? By tomorrow close of play, what are you guys' thoughts? Because for now, I have that profit target of 1394. If we break 1394, I bet you guys want to know where I'm heading to after 1394. For me, as a profit target, there's a clear runway, but I'm going to get into that later on in this live. But I'm really interested to see whether SOS breaks this triangle, because I really would like to see a breakout. If we don't break out in market hours, I personally believe that we're going to see a huge rally in the after hours. That's what my thoughts are, right? Does anyone know how Bitcoin is holding up? Because that is going to directly affect the stock. So I want to know, is Bitcoin holding up very well? Is it not? What is the situation there? Let's see. We got Coinbase. Let's open Coinbase, the stock here, for the ticker here for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is holding up pretty well here at the 48,000 level. Unfortunately, it's not reaching those further highs, but it is ranging here. I like this, guys. I like this. So Bitcoin is holding up very well. SOS is attempting to break this triangle. I can't believe this. I really can't believe this, guys. I cannot believe this. It has to break. Oh, it has to break soon. Here we go. What are we seeing here, guys? What are we seeing? What are we seeing? We're seeing an attempt. This has to be it, guys. This has to be it. Ronaldo says he sees SOS going to 1613 by tomorrow. OCGN had a big buyer might pop as well. I am in on OCGN, so let's get that as part of the let's get. Oh my God! Look at the volume, guys. Guys, look at the volume. Oh my God, guys, look at the volume on OCGN. Are you seeing this? That's what. Who mentioned that? Who just mentioned that? Shout out to the Cookie Gaming. The Cookie Gaming. Look at the volume here on OCGN. Are you watching this, guys? You should not be watching Netflix, guys. You should be watching this show every evening, every day of the year. If you want to catch some bags, you need to join this family, guys. Oh my God, the volume is here is crazy, but why is the stock price not moving on OCGN? Holy OCGN, guys. Holy OCGN. That is the new. The after party is just getting started, so welcome to whoever just joined. SOS. Oh my God, SOS is thinking about it, guys. We need volume to pick up here. We need volume to pick up here. Will it happen today? Will it happen today? We want to see another move, guys. We want to see this move. What is OCGN? Gooey asks. I have featured a video on this on my YouTube channel, guys. Gooey, I'd suggest you go back to the YouTube videos. Check it out. I did make a video on OCGN. They are in the process of making a vaccine for COVID-19. So you can imagine the opportunity here. And OCGN is starting to move here, guys. SOS is happening, guys. It is happening. it is happening. We need volume to pick up in power hour. There's no volume. Why is the volume so low? We need volume. Can someone just buy 1 million shares of SOS? Here it comes, guys. SOS. Here it comes, guys. SOS is thinking about it. It is really thinking about it. It's breaking the triangle, guys. Are we seeing volume pick up? No, we're not. We need that volume to pick up here before we see this going anywhere. Austin is finding this funny, but dude, we're making money and we're having a laugh here. That's how we do. That's how we do. What's up, Jelmar? Jelmar, what's good, man? I know we just spoke in the DMs recently. Well, just 5 minutes ago, in fact. So, dude, I don't remember your guys' names. As long as you guys don't change your name. I know Pop Squash, I know you well. Austin Harker, I don't believe we've spoken before. Davids, I know you well. Phoenix, I know you very well. Alex P, I know you extremely well. That's how big the family is here, guys. I know every single one of you. Gooey, we've been talking in the comments. See, I don't forget you guys, man. I don't forget. I do not forget any of you guys. Jelmar, Austin, Talina, I know all of you. I know all of you. I speak to all of you. Alfred, I've spoken to you several times. James Awkward, I've spoken to you on the live several times. I don't forget anyone, guys. We've got the biggest family here. SOS is trying to break. Someone just said he loves me and I love him too. We love the family. He loves the Sebastian, I have never forgotten you, man. Sebastian, you're always contributing to the live chat and I appreciate you. See, most YouTubers forget their audience. I remember every single one of you. I remember Phoenix. I remember... Oh, Barry Hot Stock Davis. You're new to this. I haven't spoken to you before. Harris, I know you very well. No, Harris. I've never forgotten Harris. I remember that logo, Harris. You know, T-Buzz, I know who you are. Yep, T-Buzz. Are you a member of ours? Because I think your name... Yeah, T-Buzz is a member of ours. Welcome, T-Buzz. I don't forget you either. So... I don't forget my people, guys. I don't think I'll ever forget anyone here because, man, you've helped me create something amazing here. Pavan, I think I've spoken to you in the DMs, right? Thanks so much, Pavan. Pavan, you're amazing, Pavan. Pavan, have I spoken to you in the Instagram DMs? I believe I have. Adam Cohen, welcome. I do have a Discord, Adam, but we've actually closed it off because I've only kept it as a very tight membership group. I don't want thousands or hundreds of people. I'm not here for the money. I'm here to help. So we've just closed off the group, so no new members. Is breaking, dude. SOS is breaking. What's OCGN doing? Is it finally moving? OCGN, come on. Rad Nomad, welcome. Oh, appreciate you, Rad. You've only been here for a few days, and I'm glad. Here's the bigger move on OCGN. Guys, you know what I'm thinking on OCGN though, don't you? Look at the bigger frame here, guys. Although the demand, the volume has just peaked here, I personally feel we're not going to get anywhere past this range until we see some vaccine news on OCGN. So, yeah, Pavan, I think we've spoken before. Mike Burrow, I remember you very well. Yep, you've been on our lives quite a lot. Guys, we've almost got... Oh my God, guys, I've just looked at the viewers. We've got almost 100 viewers here. This is crazy. This is the most I've ever had on a live. So I really appreciate all of you tuned in watching when you guys could be watching an interesting show on Netflix. You've chose to spend your evening with me. So I really appreciate all your guys' time. I'd also really appreciate if you can leave a like on the live. That would really support me because it does help apparently with this weird algorithm, right? I don't know too much about it, but if you can leave a like, that would be much appreciated. Any big winners today, Barry? Yeah, Barry, man. We caught SOS, CCIV. If you see the posts I've just posted on social media, SOS is really attempting to break here. It's struggling because volume is low, guys. Volume is low. Until I see a spike in volume, that's your cue to go, guys. That's the only way we're going to get this party started, right? If we see volume pick up. We need diamond hands. That's what I like to see. I will do a Q&A, Harris, 100%. I'll make a separate live on that. Definitely make a separate live on that. Oh, Jason, man. Jason. I hope you're getting some support on your channel, Jason, because you've got some amazing content. I'd urge everyone, just, check him out because he's got some great stuff. Joel says he's brand new here. Yeah, I don't believe you've spoken before, Joel, but Great to have you with us. This is the only live channel I'll listen to from on. Oh my days. You guys are amazing. Guys, you are absolutely incredible. You guys are absolutely incredible. I couldn't have asked for a better. Oh my god, we got 99 viewers. We are joining the after party on SOS, so welcome. Ron Burgundy. Yeah, I remember you, Ron. Welcome. Yeah, I'll look at cents, but guys, I'll be honest, this was the SOS stock after party. This was the SOS stock after party. I will look at other stocks, but this is the after party for SOS, and we're having a good time here, right? We're going to get into some fun. Jared Brogan, you love SOS. Phoenix, just liked it, man. Thank you so much. Thank you for everyone liking the video and the live. I've never been so consistent on tuning in on live videos, says Jelmar. Jelmar, guys, I just want you all to know, right? Whoever's here watching, I don't forget you. I don't forget you people. I remember Jared. I remember Phoenix. I remember Sebastian. I know you, Jody. We spoke in the DMs just recently, right? Pavan, come on. So, guys, if you want to be a part of the family, I'm not a YouTuber that's going to forget my audience. I remember you guys throughout the beginning stages. I know who's... Here is Jay Bavis. Yes, it is live, Jay. It is live. Absolutely. It is live indeed. And, you know, we are going to keep this... Oh, my God. We got 100 viewers, guys. We got 102 viewers. How is this happening? SOS broke. Yeah, well, it has broke. Guys, can we look at the live chat for just a second? Can we just look at the live for just a second? Ricardo Quezadas just said, remember the name Mohammed, right? And the reason why he's saying that is because there was a guy who was called Mohammed, I forgot his last name, right? And he bought SOS around $7 or something, and he was panicking. Guys, let's hope he held, right? Let's hope he held. He's definitely subscribed to me still, because I'm sure I've seen him around. But yeah, dude, Jay Bavis, what's my name? Brand new here. Jared, welcome, Jared, welcome. Jesus. Okay. I'm gonna settle this, guys, and correct me if I'm wrong, right? There's a dude from Peru here. His name's Jesus Camarena. Now, do I pronounce that Jesus Camarena, or do I pronounce it Jesus? Can somebody tell me? Am I pronouncing it Jesus, or am I pronouncing it Jesus Camarena? Because I don't want to pronounce his name wrong. I wanted to hold above $10. Told her I couldn't. Yeah. I was watching SOS while taking an online class. My teacher told me to put the phone down. No. Well, you tell your teacher that there's more money to be made trading stocks than teaching. SOS did not break, but your live chat did. 102 live. 104. Yeah, I'm crazy. Guys, it's going to break. I have a feeling SOS is going to break. We just have to be patient here. We really do have to be patient. OCGN, on the other hand, is catching traction. Look at the volume. Oh my. Look at the volume on OCGN, guys. Okay, it's Jesus. Yeah, I thought so, guys. I thought it was Jesus. I just had to make sure. Look at the volume on OCGN. Oh my god. Guys, this is probably the biggest volume we've seen in a long time here. The volume is kicking, guys. The volume is kicking. The after party is getting started. CCIV is holding up around the 59 to 50. How is it broken below? What is going on here? I might have to readjust my pattern here. I think what we got here is a downward sort of wedge forming here. Okay, we got a triangle, guys. We got a triangle building here. This is what I had to just readjust. But we're back in the game. Just jumped on. Are you selling SOS or holding? Dude, I am holding. Dude, I am holding. Don't let anyone say I'm selling SOS. No way. All right, so profit targets for SOS. So, guys, if you were following the live at market open, Austin Harker is right on the money there, because he is playing long term, because he knows what the stock is capable of. If you guys were watching at market open, I said to people, I've got a profit target of 1186, right? If 1186 breaks, I have 1292. If 1292 breaks, I have 1394. That's exactly what I said. You guys can watch the live. That's exactly what I said. Now, granted, the price did not hit 1394. it came to 1366. Okay, so it didn't quite get to my profit target. This is a clear resistance area, 1365. But I'm still sticking by what I said. And if we break these levels, 1394 is easily achievable. Okay, now that is the short term. That is what I'm talking about within the next day. However, longer term, I'm going to go to the larger time frame so you guys can understand what type of party we're dealing with here. What kind of party are we dealing with? Because this is going to be a fun party. You guys are involved in a fun party right here. Okay, 1394 breaks. I've got a clear runway to 1742. Can you guys see that? There's a clear runway. There's not much resistance here. So my thoughts are that the bigger move is going to happen in after hours, unfortunately, because that's where more institutions are active. So I'm expecting the bigger move to happen then. But in the meantime, guys, we are talking about this damn triangle. We're waiting. We are patiently waiting. There's a huge squeeze going on here. It's trying to break this damn triangle. I'm just going to readjust slightly because I feel that it's still consolidating here. There's no breakout. We won't see a decent enough breakout until we see volume, guys, and volume is so low right now. Generally we see good volume during power hour, which we're trading in right now. Taylor Marie says profit target on OCGN. All right, I'm gonna Chauncey, welcome. How you doing? Do you see a pullback near end of this week on SOS? As long as crypto prices, there's no negative news on the cryptocurrency. Keep close eye on the crypto world, guys. Yeah, I've been looking at that RBNW. Yeah, man, I've been thinking about that RBNW. I can't even pronounce it. Jeez. Where's Roy, man? We need Roy in here, guys. You guys know about Roy, right? Roy is, dude, 70% on RPNW. It's looking like it's going to go through a similar breakout here, guys. Similar situation. I'll keep it on the charts here. Wow, it's moving like crazy, this penny stock. Unfortunately, I haven't got access to this stock, which is why I couldn't buy it. But I would have been in this RBNW, which was 72%. But anyone joining, you guys will know, and you'll see from the post out which I posted on my YouTube channel that, you know, we were near 400% when SOS was at 1365. We were 400% returns, and I'm not selling, guys. I am not selling. I am in this for the long run because I believe in the stock. What's your Friday close price target for SOS end of week? That's a tough one, Harris. I'll be honest. That's a tough one. MICT. Yeah, I'll take a look in a second, guys. But we are part of the SOS after party here. We are still in this stock, by the way. Quadruple my account this week from SOS calls. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Rad Nomad. He is in the business. He is in the money. Okay, Contender. Did you see Socket? Yeah, Socket, guys. Oh my God, Socket. That was crazy. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Socket was the third highest traded stock for the day, guys. TRCH, SNDL, SOS came in fourth place. Socket. We got Socket, guys. Third highest traded stock in the US markets today was Socket. I didn't manage to catch it, guys, because I was too concerned about SOS, right? Otherwise we'll record it. We need the bad man. Yeah, Roy, we need the bad man. Yeah, dude, we need that bad dude in here. All right, who's another bad dude? Right? Okay, I'll tell you who's a bad dude. You know who's a bad dude? The Contender. The Contender is a bad dude, guys. That guy's a bad dude. He calls out some crazy plays, that Contender dude. He's a bad dude, guys. He's a bad dude. But man, we need this to break, guys. I really hope we're praying that this is gonna break before market close. I want to see this after party. I want to see a party get started, and I want us to enjoy it in the live chat. CCIV is holding up pretty well here, guys. CCIV holding up pretty well. Will we see another breakout? Personally, I'm feeling the after party's already begun, and we won't see further moves until market close, and that's when the institutions start stepping in. Hoping all good things for SOS, TNXP. I like TNXP, OCGN by the end of the week. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, we got David O. Welcome, man. Welcome. Long time no speak. We got Taylor Marie. Yeah. Curtis, what's going on, man? In at 12:05, looking for the run. Nervous as hell. Dude, Curtis, I have to say, man, you're a bit late to the party, right? We've got this term which we say around here, right? And that is, generally speaking, you don't want to be late to a party, right? You want to get there early. You want to shake people's hands. You want to get to know people, you know, before the party starts getting a bit rough, right? So most of the people in this live chat, I'm hoping have followed me for a while, followed the SOS journey. They've had a chance to shake hands with me. They've had a chance to, you know, have a conversation, get to know me. They've been in the SOS play. They've been discussing it with me. So they've been part of the party for a long, long time. Do you see what I'm saying, guys? But there's people here like Curtis, and I'm sorry to say, Curtis, you're more than welcome to join us in the after party. However, you're a bit late to the party, so you haven't really got a chance to get to know everyone. There's a few newbies in here. We got Rad Nobad, we got Kyle, we got Taylor Marie, we got a few newbies, right? So you haven't had a chance to shake hands with them. So what I'm saying is you're a bit late to the party, my friend. You're a bit late to the party. I mean, oh, dude, you are very late to the party. 12:05 is an entry. Damn it. Oh, dude, what made you get in at 12:05, man? Were you waiting for a breakout here? Were you expecting a breakout? I wouldn't worry too much, to be honest. 12:05 is still all right, but we got Peter. Welcome, Peter. How are you doing? Dude, we got 120 people in here. This is the most amount of people I've had on the live. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a like. We catch some crazy plays in this place. We catch some crazy plays. We catch some crazy plays in here, guys. Trust me. Okay, we need to break this triangle, guys. We need to break this triangle. CCIV. What is CCIV doing? Guys, CCIV is breaking this triangle. CCIV is breaking this triangle. We're going to head to the moon here, guys. We're going to head to the moon. Welcome to the after party, everyone, guys. We are joining in. Welcome, guys. Make sure you drop a like on the live. We're getting into some fun here on the live, and you guys are going to get into some crazy plays with me. SOS, I'm waiting for this break here, guys. Patience, guys. Patience. And I'm going to tell you how I spell patience. I'm just going to type it in the chat, guys. This is how I spell patience. Patience. There we go. What's the application you're using? Okay. All right. Also, guys, whilst you're here, make sure you check out my Instagram, traderjourney_official. I get back to every single DMs, right? So make sure you hit me up there if you want to have a discussion. I'm going to leave it in the live chat if you guys want to join in. Is it going lower or should I buy tomorrow? What is? Are you talking about SOS? Well, this is a bullish continuation pattern, so I don't see why you would want it to, or why you think it would be going down from here. But you can never be biased towards the market. With these breakouts, most certainly it has happened before. I've seen it drop down, but SOS is very bullish. Everyone knows that. So, what do you think is a good entry price for SOS? Sean, sorry to break it to you, but you're a bit late to the party, my friend. I'll tell you, if I wasn't in SOS right now, I would be playing this breakout for a short-term gain. But keep in mind, guys, I'm speaking from a complete different perspective. I'm up 360% at the time of speaking to you guys. Barry, I try to go as live as often as I can. Generally, when there's something exciting going on in the markets. If it's boring, I'd rather not waste your time. So I hope you appreciate that. If there's something exciting going on in the markets, be sure I'll be here, guys. I'll be here filling you guys in on the latest information. But if the market is boring, I don't want to waste your time or waste my time, right? Our time is precious. Our time is worth more than the money we make trading in the markets. So I'd rather protect your time and my time, right? But keep in mind, guys, I'm always active on my Instagram. So just hit me up in the DMs, follow me there. And I'm more than happy to get into a discussion with you. I'm not stingy with my time there. Okay, so like the application is that it looks really nice. All right, I'll send you guys the link. Here's the link. Tradingview.com. Tradingview.com. There you go. There it is. That's the charts I am using, guys. I've left it in the chat. I'm late to this party, but I got... Oh, no, you're not late. You're not late to the party, Parmveer. Parmveer. I'm going to call you Parm for short, because I have a lot of friends with Parmjit, that type of name. So I'm going to call you Parm if that's okay. Barry, okay, I'll definitely hit you up on IG. Yeah, DM me, guys. DM me. Follow me there. Ask me anything you want. Happy to get to know you guys. I know most of you here. I know Ronaldo very well. Ronaldo's giving me profit targets, guys. Ronaldo here. He's a footballer. He's a footballer, part-time trader. You can see him in the live chat. Ronaldo V. Ronaldo V. Here's a football for you guys. Guys. Watch this. I'm going to send Ronaldo a football. All right, Ronaldo, you get a football on the house. You get a football on the house, Ronaldo. What are you guys going to buy with your profits? Talk to me. Are you going to reinvest it, or are you going to buy a Gucci bag? What are you going to do? Tell me. Come on, guys, tell me. What are you going to do with your SOS profits? We're in the after party here, guys. We're in the after party. There's nothing to worry about. You're in the after party. Ronaldo, here's your football. Ronaldo V, there's your football, sir. All right, so we're gonna have some fun and games here as well, guys. We're not we're not so serious like the other YouTubers. We try and have a good time as well, and we try and make this as fun as possible, because there's some boring YouTubers out there, guys. I'll be honest with you. I've been watching some lives myself. Man, I fall asleep, guys. I fall asleep on those YouTube lives, honestly. I fall asleep. Okay, Dr. Slowmo is buying some Yeezys. Yeah, that's a good buy. To be honest, I see a Yeezy as an investment because of the comfort it gives you, right? Okay, Talina's playing clever there. All right, Ronaldo, I just gave you a free football on the house, so I hope you appreciate that. Is SOS still a buy? Guys. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a video on this, a separate video. Look, the thing is, when I invest long term, guys, I like to work out the intrinsic value of a stock, in the sense that what is its growth, what is its potential growth, can it grow in the future, and does it have the opportunities in the future to continue and sustain the growth, right? So the thing is, some people are telling me, is it still a buy? Well, guys, you haven't even done any research yourself. If you had done that research, or if you had watched my video, then you would have been more confident to understand whether it's a potential to enter now. People, generally speaking, I don't enter stocks when they've already made these moves. They've already made like crazy 400% moves, and people are asking, can I enter now? It's like, dude, you're too late. You're too late. I'm not saying it doesn't have potential. I still think SOS has huge potential, but entering at these levels opens yourself up to so much more risk. Because if you were to set up a risk to reward ratio here, your risk is quite high, guys. Your risk is high. So if you're going to enter a trade like this, then don't put in so much money, because you've already missed the move. You're a bit late to the party, so you don't want to invest too much money if you're late to the party, if that makes sense, right? $20 in a few weeks. Yeah. Look, guys. I still think it has potential. Yeah, exactly, man. Sebastian, we make money and we have a good time, because those YouTubers, I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you, jump on another live right now. There's only a few YouTubers that actually I can sit and watch, right? But there's some YouTubers that make me fall asleep, guys. They make me fall asleep. I put some YouTubers on before I go to sleep, so it helps me fall asleep. Philip, thank you so much, Philip. I know you're a member of ours. I don't forget you guys. I even remember, guys, you know what's funny, guys? I even remember the people that insult me. There's a lot of people sometimes, not a lot actually, there's a couple of people. There's a couple of people that come in here and insult me and say I don't know what I'm talking about and stuff. But I like the criticism. I take it on board. See, CIV broke the triangle. Oh my god, guys. See how clean that triangle was? See how clean that was? Don't make it up, guys. I don't make it up. You're watching this live. I can't make it up. So, Yeah, it's probably just not, is that it? Yeah, there's some people that come in here, but you know what? I enjoy it, guys. It makes it interesting. It makes it fun. It makes it interesting. I like it when people attack me so I can prove them wrong, right? Anton, I don't think we've spoken before, dude. Anton, have we spoken before? Because maybe this is the first time I've actually forgotten somebody. Oh, there we go. Look at Meraki, man, setting an example. Thank you so much, guys. Let me just be clear. It's only that 0.05% that ruin it for everyone that come in here. I'll show you a message I got, guys. Guys, I'm gonna show you a DM I got. Guys, I'm gonna show you a DM I got. Check this out. There's a DM I got, right? And the guy says, let me see if I can take a screenshot and show you guys. The guy said, guys, I want to show you this because this is hilarious. Guys, this is going to make you laugh and probably make your day, right? This is going to make your day, guys. I'm telling you guys, it's going to make your day. I'm going to try and pull it up in just a second. But CCIV, wow. Dude, CCIV is killing it. It is killing it, guys. I think a price range for CCIV is between 60 to 70 within the next couple of days, personally. The DM you had on the Insta story, yeah, that's it. Contender, you got it. Contender, you remember? You see, Contender, man. You're watching me. You know what's going on. Yeah, Argo, you can stay at the party, man. There's enough fun here for everybody. Even if you're late to the party, welcome to the SOS after party. This is, guys, who would want me to do some giveaways? Would you guys want me? Do you think that would be fun, guys? Shall I do some giveaways? I'm happy to do that. How about, guys, if I do a giveaway, but I give away stocks, not money, I give away stocks. Who wants to get involved with that? All right, okay, you guys are liking it. All right. So, okay, I'm going to set something up. I'm going to have a think about it, and we're going to set up some giveaways. We're going to do some giveaways. Manny, long time no speak, Manny. I remember you. Don't think I forgot you, Manny. I know you, Manny. I know you, Manny. Manny, get back here, man. I'm still talking to you. Manny, I miss you, man. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since we spoke, Manny. I know you're in the Discord. I know you're on Instagram, but come pass by the live. Look at CCIV. Oh my god, CCIV, guys. Up over 200% on CCIV. Yeah, what's good, Manny, man? We want to see you around here more often, right? Yeah, man, we want to see you around here. More often. You're a good contributor to the live chat. All right, guys, so I think we're going to do that. We're going to do a giveaway where I give away a stock. Guys, I give away one share, and we're going to do that. We're going to do that every live. I just need to think about it logistically, how I'm going to do it. We're looking at CCIV live right here, guys, and it's kicking off. It is kicking off, and it's making a move. But I'm going to do, one share giveaway every day. What I might need to do is give you guys money worth of the share, if that makes sense, because I can't really gift you a share. Do you know what I mean? So I'm going to have to somehow send you guys money either through Cash App or PayPal or whatever. Oh, the Contender. Now he's talking. The Contender came up with a great idea. Okay. Maybe. Okay, I give you... No, but then how do I give you the share? That's the problem. Because I have to give you money, right? I have to give you money. So, maybe... I don't know how I'm going to do this. Because I can't actually gift you guys a share. I have to gift you money. I can't actually give you a share. Do you see what I mean? It's like, it's not tangible. So Nizam, welcome. I remember you on the live yesterday or the day before. Welcome, Nizam. So SOS price target, we were just covering that recently. We're consolidating here, but my next profit target, I don't like to call it price target. It's just personal preference. I still have that profit target of 13.94 intact. So I want it to get there. Yeah, guys, look, let's do it. Guys, let's do it. Let's do a giveaway. And hey Pedro, long time no speak, Pedro. What's good, man? You good? Curtis, you could just have it as a share credit. Ooh, how does that work, Curtis? What are you proposing? What's a share credit? As in I hold the share, but what? I don't understand. How can we win? Oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to think about that one, Ricardo, I'm gonna have to think about that. Do you think SOS will hit 20? Yeah, I personally think it will. I think it's priced in around the $30 to $35 range. SOS, that's what I see it as. Do you have a stop loss in SOS? No way. I'm up 400% on SOS, Rad. Why would I need a stop loss? I wouldn't need a stop loss anytime soon, would I? So, okay. So I'm gonna have to think about this, guys. Oh, guys, change your name, man. Look at this guy, guys. Change his name. Change your name. How can I refer to you as that? Change your name, dude. I can't even. How can I have any respect for that name, guys? Come on. Look at this guy, man. This guy's coming here with that name. Guys, I'm gonna address him because he needs to change that name. I'm not pronouncing that on live, guys. He needs to change his name, guys. That dude over there, you know that dude? I wanna tell him, change your name, man. That is disgusting. Dude, that guy is disgusting. How is he coming in here with that name? There you go, guys. Change your name. That is disgusting. Yeah, exactly. You're disgusting. All right. Oh man, you need to change it. I can't answer any of your questions if you got a name like that. I'm sorry, I really can't. All right, guys, I'm gonna think about. Oh no. All right, what's happening, guys? CCIV is flying in the after party, guys. It is flying in the after party. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, dude, I will. This is dedicated. Oh, 138 people. Wow. All right, guys, make sure you drop a like here, man. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are heading to the moon. The whole team is heading to the moon. And you are welcome here in the after party. 143 people. This is insane. Make sure you drop a like here, guys. SOS 20 by tomorrow. Guys, institutions generally for me like to enter in after hours when I don't see them. They're not going to be in the stock during market hours. They're going to wait. They're very clever like that, right? So they're going to wait and take it easy, and then most of the mining stocks, a lot of people would. Yeah, Harris. I'm making a new channel about cryptocurrency mining. So if you guys want to follow that, I've not created it yet, but I'm going to create a channel so you guys can get involved. B. Govinda, I don't think we've spoken before. Welcome. Business Momo, okay, guys, don't listen to Business Momo. I'm sorry. He throws the most ridiculous profit targets I've ever heard. Guys, he's just shouting out SOS to 100. SOS to 100, CCIV to 1,000. Guys, don't listen to Business Momo. He's just throwing out whatever he thinks. He's not done any analysis. He's not done any due diligence. He's just throwing a random number out there. So don't listen to Business Momo, guys. Don't listen to Business Momo. If you came in here saying, okay, $100, but yeah, here's my analysis, then I'll maybe give you some consideration. But you just coming in here and saying SOS to $100, you don't even know what you're talking about, dude. Yeah, that's more like it. See, Rahul, that's more like it. No, yeah, SOS to 420. Yeah, that's more like it. Yeah, that's more like it. He's thinking like me. All right. Take it easy. SOS might break now. Okay, yeah, this is it. Guys, you're watching the after party live. Here it is. Okay, volume. We need that volume to kick in, guys. Come on. To 420.16. Oh my god, we got 160 people in here. Make sure you're leaving a like on this live. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're gonna have some fun whilst we catch some money bags here, guys. We're gonna catch some fun here, guys. We're gonna catch some crazy guys. Thank you for all the DMs. Oh my days, my DMs are going crazy. I should not have sent my Instagram, but oh well. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. Guys, the Instagram is kicking. Everything is kicking. I really appreciate you guys. But come on, SOS. Come on, we need you to kick ass here. Come on. Why was SOS priced at 100 a few years ago, but seems like way too much? They were involved in different businesses. Do you know they went through that restructuring, guys? SOS, crazy. They went from like 2,000 employees to 160 employees, something crazy like that. SOS entry 1305, it is good. We're waiting for the breakout. I personally might actually add some shares at a breakout here, because if we see volume spike, I might just jump in. But oh my god, CCIV 5350 in the after party. Guys, 5350, 5377 in the after party. CCIV is flying. CCIV is flying, guys. Oh my god, the volume's kicking in, everything's looking good. No, I didn't assume that. No, okay, guys, listen to this guy. He say, okay, fine. So Business Momo, right? You think SOS is going to get to $100 in the long term? Okay, tell us what your analysis is. I want to hear it. No, let's give this guy a chance, right? Let's give this guy a chance. He's saying $100. All right, when do you think SOS is going to hit $100, Mr. Business Momo? I'm answering. You better answer this, otherwise you're cancelled, bro. You better answer this, otherwise you're cancelled. Because, dude, this guy is just coming in here saying $100. What makes you think SOS is a $100 stock? I'm still holding CCIV, by the way, guys. Laxman, drop me a message on Instagram. Okay, look, at least Pedro's coming up with an answer here, but Business Momo, he's just staying quiet. He's been scared. You explain how Riot went from 7 to 50 in 43 days. All right, no, I'm not asking about Riot. I'm asking what analysis have you done on SOS? Tell me. You're comparing a business that's in the same sector. That doesn't mean it's going to head the same way. What analysis have you done on SOS? Okay, we'll give him some time. Let's give Business Momo some time, yeah? All right, on another live, you tell me why it's worth $100. Because you just throwing out a price target like that without any work, right? I can't take you seriously. I'm sorry. I can't take you seriously. SOS, come on. That dude came up with a good answer, whereas Business Momo came out with some fake answer, right? He said if Bitcoin went to 150k, then absolutely, I am totally with you. But Bitcoin reaching 150k is dependent on other factors as well, right? But this guy is just coming in here saying SOS to $100 because Riot went from $4 to $50. Now, it don't work that way. I'm sorry, it doesn't work that way. Just because it's in the same sector as Riot and Mara, it doesn't mean it's going to go in the same direction. There's so many factors at play here. If you've done the analysis, then prove it. China will try to take over Bitcoin. Oh, interesting comment there. Interesting comment. Webstar says, just joined. Do we think SOS will break out tonight? I don't know if it's going to happen in the after party, which you are joining us on the live here. I think it may happen in after hours, but we're going to stay tuned to watch after hours as well, so you guys can watch that with me. I'll be happy with 24. Yeah, totally, guys. Dude, I'd be at I don't know, at 20, guys. Oh my god, at $20, I'd be at like 600%. So it's gonna be insane stuff to watch. It's gonna be incredible scenes, guys. Okay, so Riot and Mara in net, exactly. Okay, that is a good argument, guys. That is a good argument. So for me, if he's saying 100, right? Why is he not saying 200 then? His whole argument is baseless because he's not come up with a good argument. He's not come up with any analysis. He's just throwing a number out there. $100, guys, is a very round number. Can we just talk about that for a second? $100 is a very round number, right? So him just throwing 100 without any DD, any check, whatever. He doesn't even know the intrinsic value of SOS, and he's just throwing it out there. Crazy to me how people can just come out with a number just from the top of their head, right? And then just say, oh yeah, dude, it's going to get to 100. It's going to get to 100 because I said so. There's 108 people on your live. Let's go. Yes. Dude, I can't believe it. 188 people. You guys are clearly enjoying these, eh? We're gonna have some fun. I'll tell you that, guys. We're gonna have some crazy fun. So you guys better hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and join in on the fun. SOS offers so much. Yeah, they do AI investment. They do fintech, insurance, healthcare as well. I believe they're involved in the healthcare industry. They're trying to prevent like big pandemics, like what we've seen with COVID-19. You can, in some respects, they're bigger than Mara. They're bigger than Riot. They've got better management than both those companies, right? So why be so conservative with $100 then, eh? Business Momo. It looks like we scared him off. He's run away because he couldn't explain himself. Anyway, we're going to get in some more fun. Henry Allen, welcome. It's been up consistent. There will be a pullback. How long have you been investing? More than since you've been in the womb, Mr. Nikitas. Since you've been in the womb. I got a question. Should I buy SOS or wait for the dip? Because I think when BC dips, it is. If that's what you think, then I don't know why you're asking the question, Gabriel. If you think it's going to dip with Bitcoin, I think it will dip with Bitcoin because it naturally will follow, as most of their revenues are coming from that, right? CCIV is still flying, guys. It's still flying. Dude. It's still flying, man. Oh, here he comes, guys. Here he comes. You are a fool, to be honest. I just commented SOS $200. Never said tomorrow, and you just attacked me for that. SOS mine's way more. Okay. Yeah, but dude, listen to me. I'm not having a go at you. Chill. But if you're going to come in here and say $100 when there's 186 people watching this with high hopes, and you're just telling them it's going to hit $100 and they're going to bag hold even when Bitcoin is dropping, do you think that's fair? I don't think that's fair. I think you're telling people a lie here. You're selling people a lie. If you've done your own analysis, then tell me why it's worth $100, and then I'll give you some respect. But don't be throwing numbers around when there's 188 people watching this and you're getting their hopes up. That's not fair. I'll be honest. That's not fair. Don't sell people a lie. Don't sell people a lie, because you might make money and they may lose money, right? And that's not fair. And I won't let that happen. Because if you come in here shouting numbers, saying it's going to reach there, prove it. What's your analysis? What analysis have you done? Absolutely nothing. So that's why I'm attacking you, because there's 193 people in here and you're just throwing out numbers. So I'm not gonna settle for that. And if you could prove it, then fine. If you've done your analysis, then I'll respect that. But don't come in here throwing numbers. I've seen it way too many times, man. I've seen it so many times. People just throwing numbers out, and then people lose, and then it's not fair. Dude, you still not answered. Business Momo, guys. He's still not answered the question. He's ducking and diving the question because he can't answer it. I asked him, why is it worth $100? And he's telling me to look at Riot. He's telling me to look at Riot. Why is it? It's nothing to do with Riot. SOS is its own business. It does more than Riot. If anything, it's worth more than both those Mara and Riot. So you telling me $100? I think you're wrong, my friend. I think you're undervaluing the company. But he's not coming up with any sort of answer here. So just gonna have to avoid this guy. So I've even seen his comments in my videos. He even said something like, he said, what did he say? Let me see if I can find his comment, because, dude, he threw out some crazy comment. I was like, how could you even predict it's going to get there when you've not done any analysis yourself? Anyway, I want to move on because he's giving too much negativity and I'm spreading too much negativity. So let's avoid that conversation. Apologies, Business Momo. I don't mean to attack you. It's all love at the end of the day, but I just don't want people losing from people's call outs that aren't validated and have no basis. So I'm not here to hate on anyone. I'm just being real, because you guys are my viewers anyway, right? You got 194 people in here, and if people just throw numbers out without baseless profit targets, right, someone's going to get upset, someone's going to lose money, and I'd rather not have that, right? So apologies, Business Momo. I'll be the bigger guy here and say sorry. I'm not here to attack you, but you just be careful with your profit targets, please. Close to 200 people. Crazy, right? It's insane. What were we talking? OCGN, Botis. Was it you who just asked that question? Yeah, we were just talking about Botis, OCGN, right? Okay, here we go. All right. Okay, Business Momo's coming in with something here. Now, I'm joining the bank. They are. All right. At least you're answering the question now, Business Momo. At least you're giving me something, right? Before you weren't giving me anything. So what? Why should I believe you if you're not telling me any analysis? Okay, OCGN, right? So it's trading within this range. So we did see volume spike there, Botis, like crazy. There's some crazy volume, crazy buying coming in. Price unfortunately didn't actually react to that. My personal view is that I think we're going to range between the supply and demand zone until we get some vaccine news. I just don't see buyers stepping in until we get some absolute news on an approval of the vaccine, because there's no other reason for it. And the analyst that I talked about on my previous OCGN video said that he gave it a value of $13 at this point. So I don't see it surpassing $13 in the short term until we get that vaccine news, and then we'll see buyers actually stepping in heavy. In other news though, CCIV has just hit $53, right? And it broke that triangle which I had, and I'm very bullish on it. But we are being so patient in the after party here for SOS, and I really want this to break, but it's not doing it, guys. It's just not going anywhere. So I think we're just going to keep consolidating in this triangle, and then we'll see a bigger move hopefully in the after hours. NNDM, I'm still in NNDM, by the way. Yeah, great stock. The name of the stream is SOS After Party. Please give me your take on SOS. I'm looking at SOS now. What did you want? What did you want, Brian? What did you want from me? Yeah, we're watching SOS here, dude. Chill. Yeah, don't be so hostile, man. I'm just trying to go with the flow. Do you see what I mean? So when will you begin the giveaways? All right, Taylor. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna think about it. I want to think about how we do it. I'm gonna think about how we do it, and then we go from there, because I think that's gonna be fun. I think it's gonna be fun for you guys to get involved with some giveaways. We'll probably give a share. So wherever we're looking at, we're gonna give a share away, and obviously it will be proportionate to what the share value is at the time, stock value is. So yeah, I'm gonna have to think about it. And then definitely, guys, we're gonna get involved with some giveaways, because it's gonna be fun. I'd rather you guys benefit from these as well and enjoy it. We're gonna have some fun. What's up, Kate? Long time no speak. Who didn't sell a single share today? Be honest. I haven't sold a single share, my friend. Yeah, Business Momo, well done, man. Oh, Business Momo, he is amazing, isn't he, guys? He is amazing. He's so persistent. He won't give up. Jeez, he didn't even he's so persistent. We have to give him some credit, right? So well done, Business Momo. You're a good guy. Well done. All right, what are you guys saying? All right, holding 9 and a week. I can write many things about how I suppose could reach 100, but waste of my time. I'm not under your guideline. I wouldn't. Business Momo, come on, man. Why are you being so hostile? I've even said sorry to this dude, and he just wants to keep the conversation going. Anyway, let's not attract negativity to what we got going on here, guys. Right? Would you do SOS leaps here? I would have. A leap is definitely interesting, right? But the problem with the leap is, I would personally just get shares. Because how much is your leap going for? Tell me, Vikrant, what is a leap going for on SOS? Because from when I last checked, I don't think you can actually buy that much time on SOS, right? What is the thingy on it? Travis Draper says my average cost buy-in is 388. Have 500 shares. That's a great buy-in. That's a great buying. Thanks, Travis. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Thanks for getting involved. Dude, we're going to catch some... Hopefully this is the beginning of some other amazing plays. I have to do a ton of reading to catch up with some of the other trades which I've got plans for. 200%. Ricardo, look at you, man. You're killing the game. Alright, I apologize. Alright, Business Momo, chill, bro. Chill. I'm sorry. I've said sorry like twice now, right? Well, maybe 3 times. Yeah, no, I understand. Yeah, Business Momo, I understand, dude. Dude, I understand. You explained it in the end, so well done, man. Appreciate it. Okay, so I'm gonna save that. Business Momo, I'm gonna save that, dude. I'm gonna save that because I'm not saying I'm right. I'm not saying you're wrong, because you could definitely be wrong. All right, there we go. There's the love, guys. Look, there's the love. Business Momo is in the building. I'm not trying. Look, guys. Maybe it was just a moment, but personally, I just get worked up over that because of the fact that just because we've got people watching, right? And I don't want anyone else to... I don't like seeing people lose money, because this is hard-earned money. Everyone has to work hard for their money, as long as you... unless you inherited it, right? But I don't like seeing people lose money. I want to see everyone win. So, Business Momo, let's keep it going, man. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it successful, and let's keep it positive. And I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you watching here, Business Momo. I appreciate you staying here. I appreciate you remaining a subscriber. So, appreciate you. Alright, dude, I have to leave, unfortunately. Okay, that's cool, Phoenix. We'll catch you on the next one. Doc, right. Good stuff, bro. Always stay calm. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. A moment of anger, right? Acting in a moment of anger can save you. Well, what's the how's the phrase go, guys? How does the phrase go? Preventing acting in a oh, guys, I can't even remember it. What was it? Business Momo, I love you, man. I love you guys. What was I saying? I forgot what it was. It's something like not acting in a moment of anger saves you 100 regrets or something like that. Somebody correct me if I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, reasons subscribe. Nikitas, guys, I love having these debates. It doesn't have to be hostile, right? So I'm sorry for attacking you, Business Momo. I don't want to be hostile, right? So I'm happy to have debates because I like those debates. That's where we get that's where we actually achieve something in these debates. Constructive criticism, debates. That's how you grow, right? So rather than fighting over something, let's have a nice debate. I like a debate, right? Yeah, come on, guys. We want the SOS to fly, right? We want the SOS. Yeah, dude. Totally. Time to after party, guys. Oh my days. Sorry. I completely forgot. The market's actually closed. How bad of me, guys. I'm the YouTuber here, and I forgot about it. Okay, look, guys. Are we gonna see a bigger move in after hours? I want to go to the smaller time frame so I see what's going on here. We're keeping eyes on it, but it doesn't seem to be moving, guys. It's not moving like how I was expecting. Damn it. Anyhow, guys, anyhow, we see a pullback here. That'll be ridiculous. Sup, Fabio? How you doing, man? Long time no speak. After hours. I hope we do, man. If we drop $1, don't panic. Yeah, dude. But I feel sorry for anyone who's joined in at these levels because you're very late to the party, right? The stock is bound for a pullback, guys. Don't sell. Yeah, after huge rallies, you would generally experience that, right? You'd generally experience some sort of pullback, which is expected. Price broke the bottom resistance. It does look like that, doesn't it? It does look like that, guys. Okay, what are we doing here? Keep in mind, guys, there's some people who actually can trade in after hours, if depending on your platform, right? What is this, guys? What is this? Someone sending some emojis in here. Jeez. Well, you know what, guys? Just for the, I guess for everyone's benefit, I'm just gonna have to ban this dude. Hide user. There we go. He's gone. I don't know why people do that, man. Crazy. It's crazy how people have time for that, right? Yeah. So, guys, I'll be patient here on SOS and CCIV earnings early morning to buy SOS. Now I'm watching CCIV go up. What's CCIV doing in after hours? Yo, Nick Gutierrez, are you the brother of that YouTuber? Are you like related to that YouTuber? That big YouTuber finance dude? Forgot his name. Ricky. Is his name Ricky Gutierrez? Are you related to him, Nick? E-Trade lets you. Okay, E-Trade lets you. Hey, Liz Lane, welcome. Hope you're good. Taylor, I'm hoping SOS is up to 15 by tomorrow, Thursday. Yeah, man. We can only hope, right? We can only hope at this stage. CCIV, OCGN, anything happy, anything exciting going on? Okay, looks like OCGN's making some moves in the aftermarket, after hours. I'm watching closely for any big moves here because oh, we got Roy in the building. Guys, who remembers Roy, man? Because we got Roy, man. He's a bad dude. Guys, he's a bad dude. He's a very bad dude, guys. I'm telling you that now. Who remembers Roy from the live yesterday? He's a very bad dude. He's a very bad dude. No, Roy, don't. You know, guys, Roy's a big spender, guys. I'm telling you, Roy's a big spender and he keeps paying, man. No, Roy, don't start it. Don't start it again, Roy. Roy's in the building and he's a bad dude, guys. I'm telling you. Roy, you know, guys, I've never experienced such generosity from Roy, man, but he's a bad dude. When he does stuff like that, look, Ricardo knows what I'm talking about. That's a bad dude. Guys, that's a bad dude right there, man. Everyone's jumping on the Roy bandwagon here, man. Roy, we're going to have to set up a little fan. Roy, I'm going to dedicate a post for Roy after this on YouTube. And you guys need to tell me, is he a good dude or is he a bad dude? Because trust me, man, that Roy, he's a bad dude, guys. I'm expecting 100% on the vote for bad dude, right? If I see anyone type in he's a good dude, because, dude, he is a bad dude. Roy's ready for the after party, guys. Unfortunately, we're in that COVID situation, so we're going to have to catch Roy at another time. Oh man, yeah, Roy, that's coming, man. Don't you worry, Roy. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do that big. He's a bad dude. Look, Sebastian. How many people have called Roy a bad dude, man? Dude, can we all, guys? All right, guys. At the count of 3, I'm gonna type this in the live chat as well. Can we all type Roy is a bad dude? All right, count of 3. Are you ready? Right, get it typed. Get it ready. Right. At the count of 3. 3. No, wait. Count of 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. There he is, bro. Roy is a bad dude, guys. You need to type that in. You need to type that in the chat right now, guys. Roy is a bad dude. Everyone jump in. Roy's a bad dude, guys. Oh man, they're all coming in. Roy is a bad dude, guys. Roy is a bad dude. Oh my days. Roy is a bad dude. We got about 130 people in here, he says. I am dying right now, guys. I am dying. But in good news, guys, Roy is a bad dude. No, K. All right. Okay, guys, K, I'm gonna answer your question. Roy, K, do you want Roy's a bad dude, guys? Oh my day, I love you guys. K, just answer your question. Are you asking about the SOS rigs? I am assuming you are, because I did leave a post on YouTube asking K is a bad dude now, guys. K is definitely a bad dude, but he's not as bad as Roy, that's for sure. Trust me, he's not as bad as Roy, but he is a bad dude, that's for sure. Okay, so I'm assuming you're asking about SOS. So they've got rigs so believe it or not, K, they actually had rigs planned for delivery for the end of February. So they actually received them early, which was the first installment, hence why we see this rally here on SOS. The next two rallies, sorry, not the next two rallies, the next two deliveries of mining rigs are expected for end of March and end of April. So they've got 2 installments left to happen on the mining rigs. I don't know whether you're asking about whether you're asking about crypto mining personally, because I did leave a poll. I left a poll on my YouTube, guys. I think some of you had answered, asking whether you guys want to learn how to mine cryptocurrency, because it is a division I'm looking to get involved with. There is one of our members, Botis, if you're watching, shout out to you, who is getting involved with the cryptocurrency. No, Botis, what are you doing? No, Botis, don't do that. You're okay, guys. Everybody shout Botis for president, because he is going to help you guys mine some cryptocurrency. Guys, we're all going to start mining cryptocurrency. The whole family is. We're all gonna mine cryptocurrency. So if you guys want to get involved with mining cryptocurrency, at the count of 3, I want everybody to say Botis for president. 1, 2, 3. Botis for president, because we want to mine that cryptocurrency. We want to get it. We want to get that cryptocurrency mined. I'm going to make a YouTube channel with Botis, helping you guys out how to mine cryptocurrency. He's a bad dude, guys. He's also a bad dude. We got Botis for president, and he's coming in heavy, and he's going to be a business partner on this division, and we're going to get Botis helping you guys mine cryptocurrency. Okay, Gabriel, where are you at, man? I didn't see you before. Botis for president, guys. Botis for president. And he's going to help us mine some cryptocurrency. We're all going to make some money, guys. And I cannot wait to get you guys on the same page. Because Botis, I'm telling you, he's a whiz kid. He's building rigs. He's building mining rigs. I think SOS should hire Botis. Right? I think, oh my God, where is this money coming in, man? Alex. Guys, what? Guys, chill. Alright, guys. Oh man, at least, guys, if you're paying, at least ask me a question so I can answer them and help you guys out. But yo, Botis is a bad dude, guys, and he is gonna mine some cryptocurrency, and he is gonna kill it. He's gonna kill it, guys. I'm telling you. If you don't value Botis, then guys, I don't know what to say to you guys. Roy is a bad dude, guys. I'm telling you, he is a bad dude. He started off some crazy madness. But I'm telling you what, guys, we're going to make you guys some money, and that's why we're here at the end of the day. SOS is holding up pretty well in aftermarket right now, so I wouldn't worry too much if anyone's concerned or have entered the price. End of the day, like our good friend over there, Business Momo, if you're watching, like our good friend said, we need Bitcoin to stay at these price levels, right? So, Irshad, look at this guy. Currently in the process of building a mining rig. Yeah, Botis for president. That's all I can say. Phase 3 trial ends end of Feb, and that's where the main man, bad dude Roy, has already said we should see something happen here towards the end of Feb. We have to sit tight, be patient on OCGN. So that is a bad dude right there. That is a bad dude, man. We got a lot of bad dudes in here, right? We got a lot of bad dudes. No matter what company. K says, so we get the mining rigs next month in April. Correct, K? Yeah, that's, you got it. So end of March, end of April. But because the first mining rigs arrived early, right, I personally think the next installments are going to arrive early as well. There's Botis. That's the guy. That's the main man right there. And yeah, Charles, you're right. Botis is a money maker. He's definitely got some tricks up his sleeve, guys. He's a bad dude, Roy is, guys. And so mining rigs, I personally think we're gonna get some early deliveries, because if the first installment arrived early, that should give you an understanding for hopefully the next installment to arrive early. But I do know there's obviously a lot of supply chain issues with the what do you call it, with the equipment needed for these rigs, right? So naturally there's a shortage of the elements needed for the rig, right? Graphics card, whatever it is, motherboard. Botis knows more about it than I do. So yeah, so we need to make sure those arrive. Exactly, chip shortage as well. Well said, James Awkward. Well said, man. Well said. Yeah, exactly. All those shortages are going to cause... oh my goodness. Alex, take it easy, dude. Not asking for myself, ask for everyone else. So what do you see SOS at the end of the week? Alright, let's just answer it. Because how fast... Guys, how much has SOS moved today? 59%. This is what I see. This is what I see happening. This is clearly, we've seen this pattern happen time and time again on SOS. It's happened nearly 3 times. So I'm going to tell you what I see happening. There was this. We had a little bull flag there. We had a little... I'm going to show you what... I'll tell you what I'm thinking. I'm thinking... 1, 2, 3, right? This is a very big consolidation area right now. Very big consolidation area. So, in the next day to 2 days, 1394, right? We're going to break 1394 personally, I think. If crypto prices hold as they are, and there's no issues in the overall market in terms of sell-offs, with SPY or with anywhere in the NASDAQ, whatever you want to say. As long as the market's holding strong, we get buyers, cryptocurrencies being widely accepted. If more news comes out on crypto as well, which I'm expecting this week actually. So here's what I'm thinking. End of this week. Oh, why are my charts so crap? Okay. End of this week, I'm thinking... anywhere between, I want to give you a range, because I personally think the way it's been moving, I'm expecting a pullback. It's consolidating. I need to chart some more levels here, guys, but anywhere between the $15 to $16 range is my opinion by end of this week. Just because it's moved so much already doesn't mean it's going to happen again, right? So you need to be realistic, and based on my profit targets here, 15 to 16, and if it's a clear runway and the demand and the buyers are stepping in, the volume is still high, then there's no doubt we can hit my next profit target of 1746. But there's 2 things that need to happen here, guys. From a technical standpoint, I need 1394 to break first, right? That's the first thing that needs to happen. Second thing that needs to happen is we need continued buyers stepping in the market, right? We need continued... I believe we're going to have some news come out soon, especially on the cryptocurrency world. There's been a lot of stuff going on there, which I've been reading. So there might be a catalyst which drives us forward, and that is the ideal situation, right? That is the ideal situation. Now we can't be biased towards the market, because literally anything can happen. So by the end of the week, that would be the best case scenario to hit those $16, $17 area region. And at this point, the way the prices move, the worst case scenario in the next week. Let me just go down to smaller time frame, maybe the hour. Yeah, I think in the worst case scenario, we come back to $10. Back to this previous area. But one thing to notice, guys, is there is obviously a huge gap to fill here. If for whatever reason there's some huge crazy news of fraudulent information, these guys are frauds or whatever it might be, and the price comes crashing down to 886, obviously keep in mind I've been in the stock for a while. There'll still be a chance for me to take profit, right? As long as it doesn't happen in pre-market or after hours. But if the price comes down here, just best believe that this gap is going to fill in seconds. So the worst case and best case, I think that's the fair way for me to give you the most optimistic standpoint, the best possible position and the worst possible position, and that is the worst and best. So I hope that answers your question. But that's where I see it in the next week, by end of this week, if that helps. I don't know if I can do that. I don't think I can do that, Nikitas. I really don't. Oh man, it goes back $7. I'll cry. They better not pull. You guys, I know some of you are concerned because it's a Chinese company, right? And there's obviously stuff going on there which you guys doesn't give you guys confidence. But for me at this stage, it doesn't worry me. No. Thanks, Taylor. Thanks for your feedback. I appreciate it. Sebastian, can we see a trading setup someday? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we could do that someday. I don't know how many of you guys want to see that, but we can do that. Any new for when you'll do live on TXP? Maybe I do that tomorrow for you, Taylor, but I'll be honest, SOS and CCIV. There we go. Roy's come in with the killer blow there. And this is why Roy's a bad dude, because he tells us how it is, right? He tells it how it is. There you go. Roy's answered. Roy's made a very good point there. The Asian markets are doing very well at this point. They've recovered faster than the Western societies have. So that should give you guys an understanding that, I read the other day Warren Buffett. This was actually a couple of months ago. Warren Buffett, Japan got a new prime minister, guys. Do you know about that? What's his name? So Shinzo Abe is, due to health concerns, he left. Who's the new Japanese prime minister? I forgot his name now. I like the Japan markets right now. Japanese markets tend to not do so well in the past. However, this new prime minister, who's taken over, Shinzo Abe, he's doing some good changes for the country politically and to encourage investment. What's his name? Oh, Yoshida Suga. See that pronunciation, guys? You ain't got nothing on that. Yoshida Suga, right? So he is a new prime minister for Japan. I read an article on him a couple of weeks ago, and he's definitely making some good change for the Japanese markets. Warren Buffett took a very large position in the Japanese equities. You can find that out by following his company, which you guys are aware of. So yeah, I mean, just see where the money's flowing and you can understand. But Roy is absolutely spot on there with that comment there. I say it was still around 17 mark. Yep, Alex, glad you share the same feelings there. But it's highly speculative, guys. Can I just say this as well? It's highly speculative. I'm telling you that price range just because of my price targets and the way I've done my analysis. But it's still highly speculative, because the way we like to trade and invest is value investing. And until we see financial statements, earnings release, intrinsic values, understanding the growth of the business. I already know SOS are growing at a huge rate. Their revenues already from 19 to 2020 are up 400%. They're looking to increase their revenues from 2020 to 2021 by 200 odd percent. So the numbers are there, right? But until I see the financial earnings release, it's hard for me to see where this stock goes in the short term, because it's purely moving here based on hype, growth, and the expectations of the growth of the business, right? Not what they're currently doing, what they're planned on doing in the future for their future growth. So Yoshida, what's his name? Yoshida Suga, do some reading on the Japanese markets and you'll understand what's happening there. But when I say Asian markets, I don't just mean Japan, because China is definitely a lot more interesting. There's a lot of stuff going on in the China, and I guess the one thing that we're concerned of is, as most of you might be US investors there, is that obviously there's the US-China trade war, antitrust rules and regulation, so much going on, right? So it's good to keep on top of that if you're looking towards the Asian markets, right? Because that could break down sales channels for Chinese businesses and expanding into the Western societies, right? So I obviously read the papers every week, guys. There's tons of information there, but like Roy has said, and he's rightly said, Asian markets have recovered from COVID a lot quicker. From what I've been hearing, Wuhan is business as usual. Guys, it's business as usual over those parts of the world. So you can imagine how well their economies are doing, the GDP, the numbers they're running over there in Asia is miles apart from what the US are churning out. Because look at the jobless reports in the US. Look at the economic reports on the US. They're scary, guys. Looking at those reports, man, it's depressing. It's very depressing. Same goes for here in the UK. So what I would say is, if you are looking to invest in the Asian markets, understand the growing sectors, industries, and the contender said, yeah, they had strict COVID measures, exposed to the virus early, etc. Exactly. Yeah, I don't want to go on too much and bore you guys, but you guys understand it probably better than I do. So I don't need to tell you guys. OCGN. So is there some volume picking up here? Let's have a look. Nah, man. Where's the volume? I don't know what you're talking about. So I mean, yeah. So I think at this point in time, at the time of speaking, and from what I've been reading, the Asian markets look like an opportunity that needs to be held. So I'm doing some research on stocks there in the Chinese and Asian markets. Yeah, because when they come out of this, well, they're already out of this. They're already making these huge strides towards bettering their economies. So and look at the output. You just need to look at the GDP comparing US to China. You know who's winning, right? So I would personally direct your attention to those parts of the world, because there's opportunities to be had. And if you're not sure what stocks to invest in, then I personally will be looking towards like ETFs. Oh, that's okay, Pavan. Right, that's okay. You meant the closing until now. Oh, okay. I still don't see much volume. Maybe it's my charts, so apologies if it's me. Pavan. Thanks for the shout out though. Appreciate it. So yeah, guys, I hope you learned something new there. But there's a lot going on in the world. There's a lot of stuff changing. You guys will probably have seen my video yesterday on FTOC and the collaboration and the merger with Payoneer. And the world is moving to a digitization. We're in that era, transitionary period towards a digital world, right? Well, not digital world, sorry, digitization of business. What I mean by that is, look how money's flowing across the world. Guys, for me to even fund the Tastyworks account, it takes 3 to 5 working days. Why should it take that long? We have the technology, we have the resources. Why is it taking this long to transfer money from one part of the world to the other? We have the systems, we have the technology, and Payoneer is going to change that. So I haven't actually entered in on FTOC. I'm still waiting for a better entry there. There was actually a upward trend for me that I did. So the digitization of the world, right? And Payoneer is one of those companies providing a solution to an existing problem. So when you see a company providing the whole world of the whole idea of business, guys, is the whole for me personally, I think with these stocks, with these businesses, if they are providing a solution to an existing world problem, that's where the money is. Because I don't know if you guys saw, there was a tweet done by what's his name, Elon Musk, right? There was a tweet by Elon Musk in which he said, a lot of people commented on it, and he said, if someone can solve the issue of pollution and carbon and trying to absorb carbon from the atmosphere, they would be extremely rich. That's probably the next $1 billion idea, guys. The next $1 billion idea is making sure if somebody can work out a way of absorbing the carbon in the atmosphere, essentially absorbing the pollution. So there's so much opportunity, and if you can be a solution, if you can find solutions, create a business on that, on existing world problems, that's where the money is, guys. That's where the money is. So I don't want to bore you guys too much, but I think some of you are falling asleep here. I know the live chats died down a bit, so I think definitely some viewers have dropped off, that's for sure. So yeah. So yeah, guys, I think I'm going to call it a day there. I think it's been a great after party for the SOS team, the SOS family, the Trader Journey family. Glad to have shared this moment with you guys, because they don't come around like this as often. 400% returns in weeks, right? They don't come around this often. So you have to seize these opportunities. Roy Botis, thank you very much, man. Thank you so much. I guys, look, if we're in this together, right? So okay, Sebastian says, so don't stop. Tell me a topic you want to talk about in terms of the global economy, and I can talk all day on it. Thank you so much, Roy. I love your support, man. I love Botis. All my members, guys, you guys got my back and you support me so much. I'm trying my best to give you guys value, because you guys are paying me, right? You're my members, and I really want to give you guys the most value. So I aim to do that throughout this year and the years to come as we remain one team. Yeah, that's great. You know what? I've got the newspaper right next to me, guys. Just bear with me. I'm going to share a topic which you guys are going to learn from, which you're all going to learn from. And I want to talk about what's the topic you guys want to talk about, because there is some crazy stuff in what I've been reading in the recent times. Is, are we expecting a market crash? Some of you want to know that, right? Some of you want to know. Oh, great, Josh, everyone's learning. This is fantastic. So I'm going to talk to you. I've got the newspaper in front of me, would you believe, right? And this is going to be like my radio station time of the day, where you guys can learn something. But what I've been reading is, are we expecting a market reversal? Are we expecting a market crash anytime soon? And the answer to that is, guys, in all honesty, guys, the answer to that is we are very overextended in the markets. You don't need me to tell you that. You need to look at the charts. You can see we are yet to see a correction on SPY in a long time. SPY is up to roughly 5 or 6% year to date. Keep in mind, SPY returns the average investor 10% a year. If we're already up 4 or 5% within a month and a half, what does that tell you guys? We are very overextended in the markets, right? So what I want to say to you is that, the Fed in the US, most of you guys are US watchers. You can call me TJ, you can call me my name. Most of you guys know my name. So Fed, right? The Feds, when they say Fed, they talk about the Federal Reserve of the US, right? What they've recently done, now this, guys, you want to pay attention to this, right? Because this I found very, very interesting. And it gives you some concerns and understands what's going on in the wider scope of things, right? So the Federal Reserve, they set out a test for Wall Street's resilience to a 55% market crash. Why would they do that, guys? Why would they do that? Why would they set out a test for a potential market crash? So they've contacted all the largest US banks, right? They've contacted all the US banks and asked them to do this resilience test. and they want to see if they can withstand a 55% market crash. Now, why does that cause a problem? Because banks obviously run the country. They are the power. They are the power, right? And if banks collapse, then we have a problem, right? We have a big problem. So Joel asks, just going to link back to this thing. Any thoughts on damage blockchain or blockchains in general? Yeah, blockchains something I want to talk about because I have been reading so much about it. And just before I do that, I just want to quickly finish off what I'm just talking about here. So why would they set out a test for a 55% market crash? Does that make any sense to you guys? Why would they set out a test? Well, for me, that rings alarm bells because, there's the jobless, 12.5% jobless, and compared to 12.5% jobless rate modeled in last year's exercise. So, they are very close to these figures, which were causing huge alarm bells and huge concern for them. Now, keep in mind this, guys, we're all retail traders here. Now, I really want you to pay attention to this because this made the hair on the back of my neck stand up, right? Okay. Technology focused funds, i.e. SPY, right? Because most of SPY ETF is tech businesses, right? They experienced net inflows reaching an all-time high of 5.4 billion in the week to last Wednesday, right? So that is official data from Bank of America. So when you think about this, right? So huge money flowing into the markets. And what they've also said is the US had the lion's share of overall stock inflows at $36.3 billion. Investors also piled $13.1 billion into global bond funds, whilst pulling $10.6 billion from their cash piles. So what we're clearly seeing here is people are taking money from their bank accounts and sticking into the stock market because interest rates are low. Why would they keep it in the bank account, right? And they're putting it into the stock market to expect a bigger return. And the data shows that we're at historically low interest rates, and there's expectations for a big rebound this year in global economic growth. So there are some positives and there's some negatives. However, the negative is that investors are putting their money into riskier assets, right? And the shift is causing unease amongst some investors and analysts who worry that asset prices have become overextended. Guys, they've become overextended. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is, if you're in some positions here, I'm not urging you guys to take your money out, but I would say always assess the situation, because I'm always assessing what the price level is of the S&P 500, and when that hits certain price levels, that's when I get worried of a potential sell-off. So this is going to cause some risk here, and what it is that there's going to be some new US stimulus announced very, very soon, right? And with new stimulus, what does that mean? Most of that stimulus that people receive as a paycheck, that goes straight back into the markets, right? I know most of you have done that as well, because I've seen some of you message me, so you put your stimulus check back into the markets. So you can imagine how much money is piling into the markets, right? And what we're fearing could happen here is that there was obviously a previous $900 billion relief bill, which was passed late last year, and the record $2.2 trillion earlier in 2020. So we saw that as well. So we've had 900 billion, 2.2 trillion, and now we're having another stimulus come in. And what is causing fears about is that there's going to be a potential jump in inflation. And then basically there's going to be an overheating of the economy, and that's the biggest concern. So you guys need to understand that, and DM me on Instagram if you guys want to understand more about it. But that's what I've been reading in the papers. Let's just go back to the live chat and see what you guys are talking about. Okay, Roy's talking about Argo. Okay. E-Hang took a damn hard hit. Stock crashes. Gold will be goodbye. Yeah, I did at one point. No, actually, I still hold some gold in my portfolio. It's always good to holding those precious metals. However, the argument lies is, do you consider Bitcoin a precious metal? Because some people do. Some people do, guys. So yeah, definitely put into the gold or the silver. They will protect you against any inflationary increases. When you see inflation, when you see market volatility, it's good to put money into the precious metals. They generally do well. So hopefully you guys can understand that. MSG says sell technology stocks into gold. Yeah, guys, the only thing I would say is that generally, historically speaking, whenever we've had a crash, what have the equity prices done? They've crashed and they've come back within a month or two. Maybe not a month or two, but over time, if you're a long-term investor, over time, you have to ride through these crashes. So don't be worried if you guys have to close out positions. But if you don't want to close out positions, there's no problem with that, because generally after a crash, we see a recovery. That's the history tells us that. So if anyone thinks otherwise, history tells us that if equity prices crash, I mean, look at March crash. Let me get the chart up so you can see this. Look at March crash. When S&P 500 crashed, what happened to it? Within a month, it was back at the previous all-time high level. So that is something to consider. So don't always be so fearful of the markets, because generally equity prices will return to their previous highs. I'm just going to show you for myself, because some of you probably won't believe what I'm saying. So I want to go to the monthly chart so you guys can see this. Where's March? Where's that big crash we saw? Where is it? Just wait for my charts to load here. Oh, wait. Sorry. See this? This is S&P. Guys, you're looking at the charts. This is S&P 500 from 1994, right? What has happened to the S&P 500 after every crash? Granted, you do have to wait a bit of time for the recovery, but after every crash, we've seen since 2009, right? Since that whole financial crisis we saw in 2008. From 2009, look at the rally that S&P 500 has been. But after every crash, what have we seen? A recovery. So that tells you something. So I hope you guys have learned from that, because yeah, exactly. So a lot of you have your own strategies for a market crash, which is absolutely fine. But it gives you perspective, right? If anyone's, because some people actually sell out at these bottom. I can't believe people sell at the bottom of a crash and they take their money out, which is crazy. If you're down, then you're down. But generally, you'd be in these long-term positions, so you just hold through, and generally the equity prices would recover, as we can see from the chart. So I hope that answers. I hope that helps you guys. Yeah, the options chain is one. I know there's a lot of people buying calls at the moment on SOS. There's a lot of people buying up contracts. So MSG, if the stocks crash, then investors will take their money out and look for other investments, and precious metals, commodities are generally the next best alternative, right? So, but gold, if you look at the gold, the price of gold, look at the price of gold right now and look at it over a longer time frame, and you'll see what I mean. It's always a good investment, and it's shall I do this one? Let's do this one. Look at this chart here on gold, right? Hope this is helping you guys, by the way. If it's boring, then I'll change topic. Look at this. Look at the gold price since 1985, since records began. Guys, since records began. Oh, they paid Kevin O'Leary to promote the company? I did not know that. Yeah, I have watched it, but I did not know he was paid for that. It did look like a very promotional type thing, didn't it? Always skeptical of those type of videos. But look at the gold look at the gold price, commodity price. You can see since 1981, since 1978, since records began. Where was the 2008 crash? Let's do a bit of analysis here. Guys, are you okay? 2008 crash, it did take a hit. Yeah. But not as bad as equity prices. But then look at the rallies we saw after that crash. So gold is generally a good thing to hold, and you have to hold it over the period of a long time. Cameo pit, interesting. Thanks for that information, Dave. I did not know that. I must admit, I did not know that actually happened. So, yeah, cheers for that information. Is SOS moving? Wow. Let's have a look. What is going on with SOS, guys? Oh gosh, can you look how crazy the monthly chart looks here? Crazy, man. Oh, gold stocks. Oh, here we go. Okay, SOS is back in the triangle, guys. SOS is back in the triangle, and that looks good. That's a very positive sign. Very positive sign. So it's still consolidating here, and we may see a better move after hours pre-market. I'm a big believer in crypto. Okay. Right. Yeah, I mean, you could involve yourself in the gold stocks, but why would you? I mean, it's up to you guys, but wouldn't you just want to buy the commodity itself? Wouldn't that just be easier? I don't know. Tell me your opinions. So yeah, guys, I think I'm losing my voice here because I've been talking for a while, and I hope you guys have learned something today. But I'm going to do some sort of... I like to talk, as you guys can tell. I like to talk quite a bit, actually. So I'm going to do some... maybe some Saturday or Sunday sort of live sessions where I just talk about a topic, which I can pretty much talk for hours on end. So maybe you can tune into my radio station. Maybe I set up a radio station talking about stocks. Who here knows how to set up a radio station? Maybe I set one of those up. Who knows? Maybe I invite some guests on to speak once a week. How would you guys like that? SOS offering closes tomorrow. Yeah, because that SOS offering was at market value. So market value. Jelma, that's interesting. Jelma's onto something here. Maybe start a podcast. Wow. 4 to 5 years now. But keep in mind, I come from a finance background, so fundamental analysis, technical analysis, ratios, financial analysis comes quite easy at this point. Junio 10 million. Maybe I should start a podcast, guys. What would you think about that? What do you guys think about that? And maybe invite some people, some prominent figures within the investing space to come on and talk. Okay. Sebastian's for it. All right. Jelmar's for it. Okay. There's also much voices. Come. All right. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate the feedback. Okay. So maybe we go down the podcast route, but I don't know. You guys like the interactions though, don't you? On the lives, you like the interactions we go through here. Yeah. Maybe I have discussions with you guys. Guys, I want to make it about you guys. So maybe I set up a podcast and I invite you guys onto the podcast with me. Because I know some of you are new beginners, but I'd like to hear what new beginner traders have to think about investing and trading. Because I like to expose all the misconceptions of trading and investing. After hours looks so good. Oh my god, here's the move, guys. SOS. Sorry guys, I got distracted a bit there, but SOS, here it comes. Answer DM questions on the podcast. I like that, Josh. I really do like that. That's a great idea. Maybe if you guys want to have a conversation with me, obviously you guys can stay anonymous if you want to. You guys can jump on the podcast with me. Maybe we set something up that way, because I'd love to get to know you guys and speak with you guys. I'm very here it comes, SOS. Maybe this is the move we were waiting for, guys. You know, here it comes. It's trying to break the triangle. Maybe this is the one we've been waiting for. So, guys, would any of you be interested in having a conversation via a podcast with me? Interested to know. Maybe I do the DMs, answer the DM questions live on a podcast. Maybe I do some more stock analysis or general market overviews via a podcast, because I'd love to do that. I'd absolutely love to do that. I was almost late to his own party after party. That is funny, guys. That is funny. Yeah, it was. Look, can you believe this, guys? You can't make up this triangle. Look how it's trying. It's attempting to break the triangle, but it's not letting. The sellers are not letting it happen. Or it's just algorithmic trading, because this can be algorithmic trading, guys. What you're seeing here could be an algorithm. Can I just draw some attention to that, guys? This could be algorithmic algos. This could be algo trading. You see this here? This is algo trading. They could just be selling. They're selling here, buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here. You could be having algos just simply buying, selling, making ton of money. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Easy. So just consider that, guys. We may have some institutional algo trading here. Hey, Hannah. How you doing? You haven't changed your profile photo, Hannah. I'm not happy about that. I told you to remove that because you were flexing on us yesterday. You were flexing on us. Conspiracy theorists. Yeah, why not? Hannah, you're flexing on us. How's that SOS entry looking? Are you still holding SOS, Hannah? I'm suspecting you are. I suspect you are, Hannah. But guys, tell you what a day. Okay, Insta Live. I like that. Look, SOS is printing me money. Yes, best believe it's printing. It's printing, Hannah. It's absolutely printing. But yeah, I like that idea. I absolutely like that idea, and we're gonna do more of this. There's so much I have yet to give to you guys. So much yet to give. So much yet to share with you guys. So much yet to help. So much yet to give. I've got so much energy for this, and I want to keep helping people and just, yeah, meeting you guys. I mean, getting to know you guys, talking to you guys has been great just via this live chat. I'm holding it, not selling. Great stuff, Derek. Look at that. The triangle doesn't lie, guys. Look at this triangle. It does not lie. It's consolidating within you. Oh yeah, I remember Hannah when she was flexing hard on us. Yeah, exactly, Sebastian. Exactly. She's a bit more humble today, isn't she? She's a bit more humble. Harrison, welcome, Harrison. Bolter, charging. My favorite charging station play. Okay. Because they don't compete with anyone because their business model is so different. So are you saying they're different to the SBE and the charge bank merger? Why are they so different, Harrison? I'm interested to know your opinion. Raj. Wow, Raj, thanks for that, man. Wow. Tilray to the moon. Yeah. Oh, yes. What is happening with Tilray? Oh, my days. How did I miss Tilray? Holy crap. I am actually in Tilray, by the way, guys. I am actually in Tilray. Yes. Okay, so Harrison, could you tell me a bit about that? Why is Volta and SNPR so different to SBE and Chargebank? What makes their Gelmas? Good question. I'm a bit of a loner, to be honest. No, I'm joking. I do have plenty of friends, but during this lockdown situation, there's not much else to do, is there, guys? So I'm just continuing to improve myself, work on myself, and build my business, build my network, create an audience on YouTube like I have been doing here, and read on stocks, understand stocks, because that's my passion at the end of the day. I don't see it as hard work. I see it as a passion. So this isn't. I can do this all day. I can speak to you. I can speak to you all day if I wanted to. Tilray. I'm not giving up on Tilray, guys. I still believe in it. I think SNDL made a recovery today, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, educating is king. Love it, man. Yeah, thanks, Jomar. So yeah, totally, man. Yeah, no, I'm interested to know what Harrison had to say. Harrison, can you do you have any information on that? Why is their business model so different from the likes of SBE and Chargebank? I'm interested to know. Knew it was going to blow up because Bitcoin. Yeah, exactly. Hannah's on the right page here. Hannah knows what's going on. She understands the macro. As soon as you understand the macro with investing, what's happening politically across the world, you will then understand what's going on. You'll understand, guys. You'll understand. Always understand what's happening politically, understand what's happening in the world, and you'll know where to put your money, because sectors, money, guys, one thing I'd like to tell you is smart money, i.e. institutional money, tends to move into different sectors. Money doesn't just stay in the EV sector. It tends to go through a cycle. It goes through a cycle. Sometimes money is in crypto stocks. Sometimes money is in solar stocks. So you'll tend to see certain rallies, certain sectors rally because money is being piled into those sectors, right? And there's a sort of cycle going on, right? It's a cycle going on between smart money moving around, and I wish I knew more about it, but that's all I know for now. I am continuing to read, educate myself, and I'll be sharing my knowledge with you guys as well. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a like on this live, and I think I want to call it a day here, guys. It's been a tremendous live with and sharing my time with you guys. You guys have been amazing. You guys are continuing to support me, so I can only repay you guys by sharing more value, sharing more knowledge, and helping you guys learn as I learn. But just to end it here, SOS hasn't broken the triangle, but I'll be looking at it tomorrow. So maybe you guys will be able to join me at market open, and we can get into this fun. Night, Roy. Thanks for joining me. Harrison, I've still got some work to do, so I need to check what's going on my phone, because my phone is going off the hook right now. So thank you for everything, guys. Thank you for your support. Apologies for any negativity on here. We're only sharing positivity. But that what was his name? Business Momo. That's his name. Business Momo. You're still welcome on the lives, but just don't be sharing those crazy profit targets and price targets without any DD. Also, I mean, in a jokey way, guys, you guys can shout out whatever you want, right? But this guy was clearly serious, but I took it too seriously. But yeah, he knows what I'm talking about, and you guys know what I mean. So love you guys. Take care. Have a good night, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.